Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Dropshipping on Shopify offers an attractive business model for beginners due to its low startup costs and minimal inventory risk. You essentially act as a middleman, taking orders on your Shopify store and having a third-party supplier ship products directly to your customers. Here is a complete step-by-step guide to dropshipping on Shopify. The first phase is planning and preparation. This is the foundation. This is the most crucial phase. Rushing it leads to common dropshipping pitfalls. So, first understand the dropshipping model. The pros to it is that you have low startup costs, no inventory management, wide product selection, flexible location, and even easy to scale and less risk. The cons is that you have lower profit margins often and intense competition, reliance on suppliers, including relying on quality control, etc., limited branding opportunities unless you do private label dropshipping. Is it for you? Dropshipping is best for those who want to focus on marketing, sales, and customer service rather than product development or logistics. Now, let's choose a niche and products. Don't skip this. Mistake to avoid here is selling generic or trending products without understanding the market or competition. So, do it right. You first need to have passion or knowledge. Start with something you are genuinely interested in or knowledgeable about. This makes research and marketing easier. Market demand as well. Use tools like Google Trends, Shopify's Bust, Etsy Trend Report to find trending products with consistent demand. Profitability as well. Aim for products with healthy profit margins. Competition, just analyze competitors. Also, product size and weight. Lighter, smaller products often have cheaper shipping, which is important for profitability. Avoid restricted products as well. Don't dropship any illegal or restricted by Shopify or payment gateways in your country. Also, research and now select a reliable supplier. Dropshipping marketplaces or apps, e.g., DSAS for AliExpress, Spocket for US or EU suppliers, CJ Dropshipping, Zendrop, and many more. These are integrated with Shopify and automate much of the process. Also, we have key supplier criteria. We have product quality, order samples. This is non-negotiable where quality expectations are high. We have shipping times and cost, crucial for customer satisfaction. Be transparent about long shipping times if sourcing from far. Reliability and communication. Do they respond quickly? Are their product feeds accurate? Return policy as well. Understand their return process and who bears the cost. Pricing, competitive wholesale pricing, and we also have private label or customization if you plan to brand products. Let's now get to the second phase, which is building your Shopify store. Create your Shopify account. Just come inside here, that is shopify.com, and just sign up for the free trial. Follow the initial setup prompts. Then you can choose and customize your themes. The theme selection here, go to online store and then click on themes. Prioritize themes that are clean, mobile responsive, and align with your niche. Branding as well, upload your logo, set your brand colors and fonts. Also design essential pages, that is homepage, a welcoming page with clear navigation, featured products, a compelling value proposition, and trust signals. We have product pages, we have collection pages where you can organize products logically. We have about us where you can tell your brand story. Contact us where you can provide multiple contact methods, email, phone, WhatsApp. FAQ page where you can answer common questions about shipping, returns, product use. Policy pages as well, link clearly in the footer. Now navigation, create intuitive menus for easy browse. Now go ahead and install a drop shipping app, which is crucial. Go to apps and then click on Shopify App Store. Search for chosen drop shipping app. An example is this as Sprocket and many more. Install the app and follow its instructions to connect it to your Shopify store. This app will be your bridge between your store and your supplier. Import products to your store now. Using your drop shipping app, browse your supplier's catalog, import products that fit your niche. Now optimize your product pages. Don't use default content. Do it right. Compelling titles, add benefit-oriented descriptions, high-quality images or videos, pricing that is set your retail price to ensure a healthy profit margin after all costs, variants, reviews, integrate a product review app, e.g. judge.me. And now go ahead and now configure shipping settings. Go to settings, click on shipping and delivery, and we have shipping zones where you can define where you ship, e.g. worldwide, shipping rates as well. Fill in this correctly as well. You need also to be transparent. Clearly state estimated delivery times on product pages and in your shipping policy. Manage customer expectation. Set up payment gateways now. Go to settings, then click on payments and activate Shopify payments if available and preferred. And consider other common payment methods as well, like PayPal, credit, or debit cards. The other phase is now marketing and sales. This is where you make money. We have SEO, that is search engine optimization. Build a blog to create content around your niche and drive organic traffic. Ensure your site loads fast and is mobile friendly. Social media marketing as well. Identify platforms where your target audience hangs out, like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, X, YouTube. Create engaging content, use relevant hashtags, engage with your audience. We have paid advertising where we have Facebook or Instagram ads, highly effective for drop shipping. Use the meta pixel to track conversations, build custom audiences, and run retargeting campaigns. We have Google ads as well, and we have TikTok ads. Budget, that is start small, test and scale what works. We have email marketing where you can build an email list, use pop-ups, lead magnets, set up automated email flows, that is promotional emails, announce new products and sales. We have influencer marketing, also use that. The other phase is now order fulfillment and customer service. This is where the rubber meets the road. So order fulfillment process, when a customer places an order on your Shopify store, your dropshipping app typically notifies you. You or the app then place the order directly with your supplier, providing the customer's shipping details. You pay the supplier their wholesale price, keeping the profit margin. The supplier ships the product directly to your customer. Automate if possible. Many apps allow for one-click or automated order placement, tracking numbers as well. Ensure your supplier provides tracking numbers and upload them to Shopify so customers can track their orders. We have some customer service where you need to be proactive, provide clear shipping times upfront, communicate as well, respond to inquiries promptly, handle issues gracefully. FAQs, use FAQ pages to answer common questions to reduce support load. Now, the other phase is to now analyze and scale, monitor key metrics, that is Shopify analytics, sales, conversion rate, average order volume, traffic sources, ad platform analytics as well, where we have Facebook Ads Manager, etc. App analytics, where we have some drop shipping apps provide insights into product performance. Optimize and iterate product performance, where you need to identify winning products and scale them. Cut losing products. Marketing campaigns, you also need to scale your business where you can automate more, use apps to automate tasks like order fulfillment, email marketing, and customer service. Diversify suppliers, don't rely on just one. Expand product lines where you need to add more products within your niche. Explore new markets, consider private label. As you grow, you might consider private labeling popular products to build your brand and increase margins. Dropshipping is a journey of continuous learning and optimization. Start lean, test consistently, focus on customer satisfaction, and adapt to succeed. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.